Hi, friends. Good to see you again. Hopefully, you had finished up your math book work and you took a picture and submitted it to me in Seesaw. Now we're going to look at 3 word problems together. And for this part of the lesson, I would like you to use your math notebook because I would like you to actually take a picture of your work for these word problems and send them to me in Seesaw as well. So I'm going to read to you these 3 word problems, and I want you to do a good job of being a detective of what you need to use to solve this problem or these problems that we're going to look at. So you're going to need to list the equation and the answer with a label in your notebook to send to me. So here's the first one. Sarah is planting 10 rows of vegetables in her garden. She has 6 different types of vegetables to put in each row. How many vegetables will she plant? So picture this in your mind. Sarah is planting 10 rows of vegetables in her garden. She has 6 different types of vegetables to put in each row. How many vegetables will she plant? So when I'm thinking of my equation, I'm thinking of how many rows of what? So write down your number sentence or your equation. Once you have that, then I want you to think about our lesson is counting by tens. Think about what you can do to get your answer. And your answer is going to need a label. Your question is, how many vegetables will she plant? So if you need to pause this, you can, but I would like you to have an equation and an answer with a label. Here's the next word problem that we're going to look at. It's about Mr. Zook. Mr. Zook has 5 packs of markers. Each pack has 10 markers. How many markers does he have in all? So I'm going to read it one more time, and I want you to think about what is the equation that matches this word problem, and what's the answer with a label. Mr. Zook has 5 packs of markers. Each pack has 10 markers. How many markers does he have in all? So think of how many packs, how many is in each pack, and then how many total markers does he have? And here is the last word problem. Alex has 4 shelves of DVDs at his house. Each shelf has 10 DVDs. How many DVDs does he have in all? Alex has 4 shelves of DVDs at his house. Each shelf has 10 DVDs. How many DVDs does he have in all? So again, what's your equation? And then an answer with your label. Once you have an equation and an answer for those 3 word problems, I would like you to take a picture of it, and you're going to send it to me in Seesaw. If you want to put a little label of word problems, that is fine. Again, I would like to see your work so I can see what you completed during this lesson. Again, I'm sorry that I couldn't be here today, and I hope you all have a great Thursday.